Hi everyone! First of all, thank you for your interest in appyReward for Zoom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a reward campaign for your Zoom meetings to make your meetings memorable. With appyReward, you can set up 3 types of campaigns. A direct reward campaign to offer a gift to each participant at the meeting, a sweepstakes entry to reward a limited number of participants that have been selected at random, an instant win game to invite participants to try their luck instantly after the meeting. Start by planning your meeting. Open appyReward for Zoom. To create a campaign, just click on Reward Campaign for Zoom. Select your Zoom meeting. For this demo, I'm choosing an instant win game campaign. Fill out the form with the deadline, which indicates the end date and time of the game. Then, the final date up to which a winner can claim the gift. Write a message for the non-winners. Add an image or a text. That's all for this first step. The second step. Here, you'll define the number of attendees and the number of winners, then you choose the gift you want to offer. For this demo, I plan to have 10 attendees and 2 winners. Regarding the e-prize, I chose a digital gift card. Then I fix its value. Note that you can also choose to upload your own prize into your gift space. Now that we've finished with the second step, let's go to the last one. We're almost there. Now, I'll just need to check all the processes and validate the campaign. Here it is. I can now validate my campaign. Great! Now let's see the result. Email. I am now authorized to enter the lottery. Let's go to try my luck. Woohoo! I won! My reward has been sent to my email address. Let's see. I click on Get Your Gift. I can see my digital gift card and apply it to my Amazon account. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more information, go to our website, www.appyreward.com, and feel free to contact us. Bye!